Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Google account and available device storage because downloads need free space. Once done, open the Google Photos app or Photos. Google, Com and Pic settings. This is where export begins. Make sure you choose Originals versus Storage Saver depending on quality needs. Originals give full resolution files. Now tap or click on Backup and Sync to confirm synced content, then proceed to the next step to create a single one-click export package quickly and reliably. You go to Google Takeout and deselect everything except Google Photos because that gives you a clean one-click archive. Next, choose your delivery format. ZIP is universal. Pick a file split size like 2 GB or 10 GB so downloads don't fail on slow connections. Then pick delivery, email link, or add directly to Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive for immediate access. Once configured, hit Create Export. Google compiles your photos into downloadable archives, which may take minutes to hours. You download each ZIP part and extract them into your device's gallery folder or import into the Photos app. This is the one-click goal realized. If something goes wrong, make sure you're signed into the same Google account, confirm storage and file permissions, and retry the download. Intermittent network drops are the usual culprit. Finally, verify a few sample images for integrity, and if needed, recreate the takeout with a smaller split size. That single troubleshooting tip will fix most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.